God na pinakilala niya sa akin ang isang anak niya na nagturo sa akin kung paano ako mas naging na-improve at naging confident. Thank you, Coach Jamie. Naging daan ka upang matuklasan ang kakayahan namin bilang isang public speaker.
You want to be the best? Then learn from the best. Enroll and be trained with the successful coaches. At isa na po doon si Miss Jamie Iris. Thank you and God bless to all.
You will also learn how to improve your public speaking skills and also a lot more to learn. You will also get this from the award-winning or tips from the award-winning public speaker global trainer, Jamie Iris.
Jamie, thank you very much for your patience sa amin. We really appreciate that one. Alam ko, sabi nga, if you wanted to be the best, you must join the best and you must learn from the best. So that's why I'm here and I'm learning from the very best, which is Coach Jamie.
I've been waiting for a mentor, a coach that can help me improve my public speaking skills, no? And it's you, no? You're an angel.
Kung sino yung gusto nyong maging life coach nyo, yung public speaker coach nyo, Ma'am Jamie is here.
To you, Ma'am Jamie, I would like to give my sincere thanks to you for your generous heart to teach us.
Coach Jamie Iris, I would like to say this one that I always remember from the first day that I have met you. No one can make us inferior unless it is with our consent. So with that, I would say we are all superior in our own unique way. Thank you so much.
So Coach Jamie, my heart is so full of gratitude. Thank you so much po talaga for this opportunity.
Coach Jamie, because I am telling them that she really is a very good mentor and she really is down to earth. And it's very much willing to help anyone. And thank you so much. I am so grateful.
Thank you.
At salamat po, Miss Jamie, na pinagbigyan mo ako makasali sa class na to. And salamat po.
Maraming salamat, Coach Jamie.
One of the students of Jamie Iris, she's a global trainer and founder of Empower to Excel Training Consultancy. I've learned a lot from her and made it enjoyable during the training.
Dahil hindi lang siya mabuting coach, kung hindi, friendly din siya. Talagang hindi mo ma-feel na may gap, parang hindi siya instructor tapos ikaw estudyante. Hindi ganon. Parang talagang ma-feel mo yung care from her sa lahat ng estudyante niya.
Ang masasabi ko, thank you, Miss Jamie. Nagkaroon po ako ng strength and courage na matuto po dito.
I find it is this a gift that was given to us, and I'm very grateful, Coach Jamie, for this gift.
And alam niyo po, nung umattend po ako ng training na ito, napakarami ko pong natutunan. Day 1 pa lang, grabe ang natutunan ko.
Tara na! Sabay-sabay nating tuklasin ang iyong kakayahan bilang isang public speaker and enjoy everything at the same time, learn from it.
Empower to Excel Training Consultancy, owned and managed by none other than global trainer Jamie Iris. Here, we develop, we learn, and hone your skills for you to achieve your dreams of becoming the best in your field, especially in public speaking. Enroll here in Empower to Excel Training Consultancy.
This practical public speaking has helped me so much with confidence by teaching Ma'am Jamie Iris.
Thank you, Coach Jamie. Your guidance, teaching method and style. And also I like yung opening mo na first na nakakapag-capture sa akin noon. We have a coach that can hold our hand through the valley of public speaking in every area noon. We're not alone. That's yun ang takeaway ko sa iyo. For those of you na maging student mo, maging trainee mo, maging who's looking you to be a mentor, you will hold our hand, guide us to your expertise and journey. And yung desire mo na where you are, where we will be, andun ang connection, andun ang engaging, being...
Thank you, Global Trainer Jamie Iris, sa pagtulong mo sa mga tulad namin. Kasi akala ko noon, hanggang dito na lang ako. May mai-improve pa pala. Ngayon, ituloy ko na lang ito. Nakikita ko na yung
And simply let me grab this opportunity to say thank you, everyone, that you have supported us for believing in Empower to Excel Training Consultancy Services, and at the same time for believing me, your global trainer, Jamie Iris. I'm excited to bring you more training programs and more learning events that will support you for your growth and development, and at the same time empower you for excellence. So once again, everyone, looking forward that I and Empower to Excel Training Consultancy will be your business partner for the success of your company, your team, your department, your leaders and brand ambassadors, and of course for individuals. Let us be your partner for success to thrive in your career and in your business. So what are you waiting for? Follow us, attend our learning events, and at the same time be one of our trainees who will be empowered for excellence. So once again, everyone, thank you so much for the support and trust. It is indeed greatly appreciated, and I'm excited to further equip you, inspire you for excellence.